Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how to run the 30 amp or 40 amp wiring from the back of the Maserati quattroport into the front cabin into the driver's seat area for whatever purpose you want to do. And in this case actually we want to run it the power up to the front for our setup of a dual headrest 12.5-inch for the upgrade in the car. We don't want to attach any of the accessory system, the new one upgrade on, into the factory wiring in the front cabin. That is not only dangerous but also not good for the work. So we actually decide to run a heavy duty wiring cable with more than 30 amp rate. Actually it is set rate for 50 amp going from the back end here to the front. Okay, and you can see that the wiring will be prepared here, which will be connected negative here at the end with this one, and also the positive into this one. Okay, and yep, to be safe we will connect it here, not around this set of other fuse and sensor thing. We need to fuse here, which actually run the main other power cable into the front of the car, into the front engine bay area. So we'll hook it on the top here for the positive. After that, just run the cable along here, and we'll run, you see that there, run into the bottom of the rear passenger seat. Now have a look here. Why we do that? Why we don't try to go along the side of the car? Because in this car model, actually, if you want to remove the side piece and run anything underneath of this side piece, it is possible, okay, but we found that it's much harder, and a good chance is you will try to damage the side part of the car, those cover. When you try to pull it so hard, it will have a chance to break it, because this design is luxury, so the cover is very down to the bottom of the floor and very firm down there, so you cannot easily lift up those panels without giving it a lot of force, and you don't know how actually the part will come out. And if you take it out completely, a good chance is you break something, and when you get it in, it will be something a little bit wobbling, and something like this was from a previous work from someone else who did the job in the car so years ago, and you can see that it doesn't go back easily like this. So that's the reason, after a very careful inspection, we decide that we will not go along the side of the car. Okay, we decide to go into the middle of the car. And the wiring, just see from here, I put the light against from the back, so you can see now the wiring. You see the light there, okay, and that is the wire that I put through. So simply I can put my hands down there a little bit more. Later I can pull the wiring through and run it underneath of the seat here, and underneath of the center console at the back, and then just like one wire like that going here under the center console cover, and go along the center console into the front quickly. So all the wiring looks neat and blending into the floor and under the center console, straight from the back into the front, and quick and easy and safe and nice. So that's the very best way to run in this Maserati quattroport. Again, that's only the decision. If in case you don't find that is the best, you can take another way, harder, much harder, to go the wiring along the side of the car. But be sure that it will be broken at some point if you try too hard, and definitely it is a risk of broken the parts. So yep. After that, the wiring waiting in the front, we can do anything with the 30 amp 50 amp fuse system and wiring bridge. A lot of accessories can be added in, and you know that we are doing a full upgrade into this quadroport to the 14 GTS, and soon we will provide some other review video how we do the job in this car. So stay tuned. Thank you, and see you in another one.